Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you are going to learn how to plug in the power cord on the Peloton bike in 2026. Now on a Peloton bike, the power port is usually located at the back base of the frame near the stabilize bar. So you need to simply look for the small round DC input port, and this is where the power cable connects to the bike. So you need to take the power cord and insert it firmly into this particular port. Just make sure that it clicks in securely and it is not loose. The Peloton bikes use an external power adapter. So you will have two parts. First of all will be the cable and the second one is brick. So after doing so, you need to connect the other end of the adapter into the wall socket and avoid using any external extension boards or loose connections for stable power. Once connected, the screen should begin to turn on automatically. You can also take a look at the display screen. If it lights up with Peloton logo, it means that the connection is correct. But if nothing happens, you can just simply recheck both ends of the cable. Also ensure that the outlet is working properly. So thanks for watching.